Hello guys, this is Austin Samurai. We are going to be making a plane. Okay, now the stuff that you will need, you're gonna need quart blocks, black wool, signs, stone bricks, stairs, or slabs, whatever. But you will need stone brick stairs too. And you're gonna need buttons, tripwires.
Don't you also need
Shut up. Okay. First, what you wanna do? You wanna click one right here. Space out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You want to space out 12 blocks, and then right next to 12 blocks, you want to put 2 wheels. Now on the wheels, you want to put buttons, just like that. Now, since you have that, what you want to do, get your quart blocks. You want to come out 4, and then you want to put 2 on this side, and then come out 1, and then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think this is 5. You want to come out 5. Like just 1 and then 5. Rather it's 6, but it's supposed to be 5. Now what I want you to do, delete this block so it can be 5 usually. Now we're gonna go like that, 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 and sorry if I'm saying that. I will show you how it is. We're gonna go like 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. If I'm going too fast, guys, pause the video. And yeah. So I want to come 2 right here. Come 1, 3, and then you want to go 1 off, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then 2 right here. I know what you're saying, the wing is too big, but we're gonna need it because, you know, wings are too big for wheels. And, yeah. So, we're gonna have to do the same thing. Oh my god, come on. Let's see, the block can't even do it. Let's do the same thing, same side. Just like that. 3. I think that's a 4. Yeah, that's a 4, guys. 4.
I'm gonna go out
That. And you come out 3. Jack, just like that. 3. And you want to come out. It's probably gonna be long, guys, but you want to come out 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hold on, guys. No, it was 12. Then you want to come out 12. Sorry about that, guys. Just checked. Now, since it's like that, all y'all are saying no. I don't want to do this, but I'm trying my best. Not really that great builder, but you could probably use this. And oh god, guys, I made a big mistake. Here, this is what you're supposed to do. At this 4th block, you want to come to just like that. and then come out 3. There we go. Just like that. Now I'm gonna come out 1. Here guys, let me turn my volume down. This rain's getting annoying. Okay. Sorry if it's like all the way at 70. I was trying to listen to them song or music. Okay, like that. Now what you want to do is, hold on guys, let me get my camera. Hey guys, I hope that's easier. Now what you want to do is, you want to count out your 1, you want to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, and then you want to curve, just like that, 2. Now for the layers, yeah I know, you need glass pane. You want to come up here, like this, 3, it's like a T, and then you want to come, mostly what you want to do is just outline the whole thing, so, except you just want to stop right there, then come like just like that. That's just really shaky, guys. The camera, I have it someplace on my belly, but here, I'll try to make it better so y'all can like think better, because right now it's on my belly. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I didn't know where else to put it, so you're just gonna have to live with the shaking. Okay, you want to finish the same outline, just like that. Now what you want to do, you want to get your stone brick slabs and then come right here, and then do the same thing. Okay. Now